Hi everyone, this is Ben here with Pierre Driving School. And our today's lesson, how many points can I get in order for me to fail the DMV road test? How many points can you get? Now, when you're doing your road test here in New York City, you cannot get no more than 30 points. I believe it's probably different from different states that you're living in, but it should be standard around the United States. But check in the state that you're living in to see how many points can you get. But for New York City here, you cannot get any more than 30 points. Anything above 30 points is a fail. Anything below 30 points is a pass. However, there is certain mistake that you're making at your road test. They are automatically disqualification, and they do not have a pointing system that automatically showing you that it's a disqualification. Now, why am I saying this? Many students that doing their road test right off the back, they just pulling off, the examiner failed them the test. They didn't even get to pull out, do anything, and they wonder why do they fail the test with something that they've done that did not add up to the 30 points in order for you to fail. Now, there is certain mistakes that you make, they are automatically disqualification. You can make error as you do in your test, that's acceptable, but critical error are not acceptable. They are automatic disqualification. But when they're showing you the pointing system, they have nothing that's showing the mistake that you make them disqualify you right off the back. Because we have had students saying that, Ben, everything that they put on the paper, I did not get to do all of those. Why do they disqualify me the test? That is the reason why. Once you make a mistake, once you make a critical error, that is an automatic disqualification. They're not gonna continue the test with you. However, there is nothing. For instance, I'm gonna yield right of way to pedestrian at a crosswalk. That's an automatic disqualification. They will fail you the test. Now the next question is that there is no point in the DMV road test evaluation that automatically adding up more than 30 points. Then when you make those kind of the mistake, they're gonna have to add on stuff to make up those points in order for them to disqualify you. Otherwise, the machine that they're using will not spit out a disqualification paper. You know what I mean? So, but in reality, when you're doing your road test, you cannot get no more than 30 points. Anything above 30 is an F. Anything below 30 is a pass. Most likely when you're doing your test, try your best to do the best that you can do. I've always tell all the students, do the best that you can for you not to pass 30 points. That's the amount of points in New York City for you. If you get anything above 30 is a fail, they will fail you the test. Okay?